The community fridge movement in Denmark. A new way that could change the way we think about helping each other. The world has a lot of problems. Big problems with big consequences that requires big solutions. In the midst of all this bigness, the average person can end up feeling too small to offer anything of value. One can forget that sometimes the path to somewhere better starts small. It can start with a single arm of groceries driven down the road so a neighbor can have a meal. No one has to wait for permission. No one has to worry, rather their effort are worthy. They can just do it. FællesSkabet Kolding is a free fridge based in Kolding with free supply food open for anyone 24/7. The fridge are the third of its kind in Denmark. The fridges are created to make use of all the food that was supposed to be thrown out, but is perfectly edible. FællesSkabet Kolding is based on volunteer work. The fridges are now receiving food twice a day, collected, sorted and registered by volunteers from food reformers with supply from other green communities in Kolding. In caring hands with the root of a whole community running underneath, a single fridge can become a network of them, and together they can become something more. It takes work, yes. It takes time, but it works.